everyone, how are you doing on this beautiful Tuesday morning? Yes, TQ, it is Tuesday.
I'm losing my days. I am. I just don't know what day it is anymore.
When you don't have to keep track of which day it is, it's easy to forget which day it is.
Yeah, true.
Anyways, guys, we're on day 2 of our stay-at-home order. We are going to stay at home as much as possible, as seemingly possible. But obviously there are things that, you know, you have to have, like food and gas and stuff like that. So, but
gas is cheap right now.
It is very cheap. I'll tell you what, if you guys didn't catch our Instagram yesterday, what did we find it for? Like $1.27 a gallon?
Yeah.
$1.27 a gallon, guys. I don't even think it was that cheap when I was in high school. Maybe.
I seen a meme that says, like, when $5 really is gas money.
Right? $5 gets you a long ways right now. But we're not allowed to be in the car with anybody. So, well, with other people. But anyways, we're going to try to have a pretty good video here for you today. TQ's been itching at the seams. So let's go ahead and hop into it. Going through the mud. One, two, three, go ahead. 1, 2. All right, so TQ said, just go ahead and burn them. That was a lot of work.
I mean, the burn look.
Oh, you mean burn them?
Yeah.
I thought she meant put them in the pile out back and burn them, because that's a lot of work. Those things aren't as light as what they look, guys, like by any means. But yeah, I'm gonna go in the house and drink some coffee. TQ's gonna do what she's got to do out here. I'll see you later, TQ. I'll see you later, TQ. Have fun.
All right, I will. No temper you with a good time.
Just kidding, just kidding. All right, so they need a good cleaning. What are we gonna use, TQ?
We're gonna use the RB800 made by Stihl.
Stihl RB800.
Powered by Kohler.
Powered by Kohler. Yeah. That's your big friend. You're gonna need to get closer. Looks like she's pulling a fire hose. I think you should go a little bit smaller nozzle. I'll get you the other one. Go down to a 15. We're at 15. There you go. Is it losing this pressure? Alright guys, so I had to disconnect my whole hose. I have like 150 feet of hose inside there, and I think it was just too much to get the water all the way through it. So I disconnected and just ran the green one straight to it. So let's give it a try now. Oh yeah. All right, so you just saw the hyperlapse of mine there. TQ's like, now I got to redo mine.
I didn't know how close he had to get or anything like that.
After she redid it, blew over onto mine, so we got to clean it all off together. This RB800 is no joke, boys. bit different than that little electric one, huh? Okay. Alright guys, so TQ got me to do a lot more work than I planned on doing today. I was like, you know what? First real full day of this being at home on this stay at home as much as you can order or whatever they're calling it.
No, listen to me. The honey to-do list is gonna get done. I just gotta write it up.
Anyways, guys, TQ, you know, they say you can start to hallucinate and
It's only been day one. I'm fine. Like, this is my real mind thinking.
Hey TQ, your brand new still hat is not so brand new anymore.
No, is it dirty? I haven't even seen it yet.
Anyways, guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video. As always,
Keep mowing.
Keep pressure washing.
Okay, you just keep making money, boys.
Talk to you later.
TQ out.
Peace.